Hi friends, do you like simplicity? Yes, simple is choice of most of us. I have seen in my recent experience simple and clean looking e-commerce portals are performing well. So if you are looking for a simple e-commerce website with multiple options and a smart working pattern, this video is for you. In this video I have a great WordPress theme through which we can really create a very simple but effective e-commerce shop through which you can start selling online immediately. There are multiple pre-made websites available with this theme and you can choose any as per your requirement and choice, and it is really going to be a very good and simple choice for effective business solution. So I have shown you some examples on the screen, and this is Samex WordPress theme. This is WooCommerce WordPress theme, and it is clean minimal shop WooCommerce WordPress theme. Summix is a very to the point and multi-feature enabled WooCommerce WordPress theme, and it is compatible to the latest version of WooCommerce, that is WordPress 6.0 and WooCommerce 6x, and it is compatible with all latest browser. The theme came into existence in 2019 and regular updates for this theme is also being done time to time. So you will get all the functionality and features in this theme that you need for an e-commerce website, but stop, don't decide this theme or any other theme without understanding the complete features and functionality of the theme, and even you need to match your requirements, that is exactly you are willing to have at your e-commerce shop website. For this you need to watch the complete video, and there is another reason for watching the complete video. This theme offers multiple layouts as well as some set of plugins that is compatible with this theme particularly. Similarly, you have multiple theme option on this channel. You can explore other themes as well. So because all the combination of functionality makes a wonderful website, so you have to decide what exactly is matching for your requirement and how exactly you can proceed further for launching your e-commerce website. So it is important to understand all the pattern, all the things like plugins being used, how fast it is loading, what functionality you can add in future, and all these things before you select any theme. So it is a serious matter. It is not just choosing a layout or template. It is all about the functionality and the future aspects of your website. So let us illustrate, understand and overview the complete feature of Samex, so that we may take a wonderful and wide decision about this theme. I believe you have already booked a domain for you and you have taken a hosting for your e-commerce website. If not, you may please follow the link of WP Themes website given in the description of this video, so that you may book a domain and choose a suitable hosting plan. And hosting is very important part of your website that makes actually a successful website. So you have to take care of hosting parameters. This is why we have created a very suitable hosting plan in a very reasonable price. So you just need to follow the link given in the description and start creating your website along with theme and also things. So all are available there. Okay, so let us start towards installing the Samex WordPress theme, and I have this fresh installation of WordPress on the same hosting plan that we are offering to you, and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing, plugin files. So Visual Composer, Revolution Slider, Samex Extra and Samex shortcodes has been given in the plugin file. PhD design is also given in the zip format, just in case if you want to use the PSD designs. The main theme file and the child theme file is readily available. So main theme file is to be used for our upload purpose, and I am going to upload the theme. First of all, to upload the theme, we have to be in the appearance section of WordPress installation, and make sure you have installed the WordPress core properly on the hosting that you are using, or you can also avail the complete setup from WP themes by following the link given in the description. And after that, you just need to upload your products and you can start selling online. So it is very simple to have. Here the 2022 default theme is active, and we are going to add new theme here. So I am going to upload the theme, choose file, and we just need to upload the samex.zip. So this is only being the installable file. Don't try to upload the complete folder. It is very common mistake by the people. So I'm just clicking on install now, and you can also upload the theme directly to the WP content themes folder, just in case if your server is not capable in uploading file from the front end, and you want a faster response and you are having access on the file manager through cPanel or FTP, you can use this method. However, this method of uploading the theme from the front end works very fine if your hosting is adequate. So it will take a bit, but yes, we need to wait patiently here on this screen until we get any message on the screen. And it is coming to the next screen, and I believe it has been uploaded. Okay, so theme has been installed successfully. We can go to the theme page here, and now we have Summix as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is Samex version 2.1 by SNS theme. So I must tell you about the developers. So Samex has been developed by the SNS theme, and they are elite author. The theme is readily available on the Envato market, that is on Theme Forest, and you can follow the link given in the description to buy the theme and get a theme. First of all, you need to have theme, hosting plan and domain to start your website. So all combination you need to have, and you can get all this in a single click by following the link given in the description. Okay, so let us proceed to our installation of Summix theme by SNS theme. And okay, so this is being version 2.1 as on date. This is being the latest version, and when you are ordering the theme by following the link, you might be getting an updated version depending upon the availability. Let us activate the theme. Okay, upon activation, we have an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete features and functionality of this theme. Let us see what is here. Here we have list of 14 plugins that has been listed here, and almost all are required. Actually, all are required, not almost. So we have WooCommerce and its associates to have additional functionality at WooCommerce like YITH, WooCommerce Ajax product filter and quick view, and wishlist is here. And so this is some additional plugin. WooCommerce excelling e-commerce, so this is also an additional feature to WooCommerce that is add-on. This theme uses WPBakery Visual Composer as a page builder, so it works very fine. Of course, Slider Revolution is here for showing the hero images, and Summix shortcodes and Summix Extra has been two plugins has been provided by the original developer itself, so it is also here. This theme uses Redux frameworks, and Redux is a wonderful framework. Technically it is very sound, so all great combinations are here. Newsletter is also here, Metabox and contact form always remains here. So okay, so we have 14 plugins, and we need to install all these 14 plugins because all has been marked as required. So we can install all 14 plugins in a single click if again your server supports this. Otherwise, you may choose to install plugin one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. But I am confident about my hosting, and this is why I am asking you to get the hosting adequate hosting, and if you are not using a super and suitable hosting plan, your website is not going to be successful. It is very important. And you can see all 14 plugins got installed within seconds, and this is the beauty of hosting plan that we are using. Okay, so all 14 plugins has been installed, and we can go back to the plugin installer screen, and now it is time to activate all the installed plugins. So it also can be done in a single click. And okay, so blank screen is here, so we can go back to the plugin page, so you can check why it is blank page, and all plugins have been installed. Okay, so WooCommerce is not active, so we can activate it manually from this screen, and it is redirecting us to complete the setup with that. So it is very simple, but yes, we need to complete. I am just putting some sample information here, and you need to put original information as applicable for you. And since it is being an e-commerce website, so it is very important to put all the credentials correctly here, and we can move ahead. No thanks, and we can choose our category here, in which category we are going to deal. If it is physical products, it is by default, and if you are offering the digital products, you can check this box that it downloads, and we can continue here. And here we can select the support number, how many products we are willing to display, and free features we don't need, so just uncheck this. Make sure it remains unchecked, so because it is going to install further plugins, we don't need those plugins. We can continue here, and here we need to choose continue with my active theme, that is Summix. It is important. Okay, so we have successfully completed the installation of WooCommerce as well. We can come back to the plugins screen to check whether all plugins has been activated successfully. So all seems activated now. WP reset is not for you. Okay, so bakery page builder is still not active, and we can come back to the plugin screen, and we can choose to activate all the remaining plugins in one go. It's very simple. Okay, so I believe all plugins have been installed. All the plugins were already installed. I was just activating the remaining activation, and I can see all the plugins has been activated successfully. Okay, so it is good, and we are fine, and we can click on the dashboard to check whether it needs further. Okay, so we have installed the theme and all set of plugins, and we can take a look of our website how it looks actually with the Samex theme and all set of plugins. So this is being the very simple look of theme along with the plugins. But yes, from here you can start building your website if you are willing to use your own design wireframes. So you are going to get all the features of theme and plugins from this stage. But yes, WordPress is known for the pre-made websites, and you don't want to, I believe you don't want to miss this golden chance to have a ready-made website and start selling online immediately. For this we need to import the demo content, and we will be back on the dashboard for importing the demo content, and I will find the option where we can import the demo. Okay, so I never hide anything. I mean, everything is going on the screen, so I have to find where the demo importer is laying. And as of now, okay, so demo import is under Samex, so the topmost option is the demo import, and please follow the checklist because okay, we need to install and activate WordPress importer and need define WP. Okay, so first of all we need to install the WordPress importer and download so we can install a plugin has been directed by the okay okay, I just need to add a plugin, install plugins. Okay, so I need to add a plugin, WordPress importer, upload plugin. We have downloaded, and the downloads WordPress importer is here, and install now and activate plugin. And again there is a line that we need to add as head. So define WP load importer store. So this is the line that we need to add in our WP config file. So this is very strange, it should not be, but yes, it has been directed by the theme developer, so we need to follow this instruction. What we can do, we can go to the WP config file and can edit it here simply. So we need to add the line, and where we can add obsolete part. Okay, so okay, I'm searching for that line that says that's all. Okay, so this is so before this line, that's all, stop editing, happy publishing, you have to add this line. Okay, so define WP loaders importer true. So we need to save the change here, and now coming back to the same screen, I'm just refreshing the page, and okay, so it is here now, so it is working very good. So list of contents will import is here: theme config, revolution slider, all contents, widget config, media pack 1 2 3. Okay, so we have an option of import button, so we just need to click on it, this import, and click on OK. Okay, so it is showing the progress, and the progress bar is saying the import is going on, and it is looking very fast as of now. But yes, media pack is definitely going to take time, and we need to wait patiently on this screen. Don't disturb the process of import. It is very important to have a ready to use website, and media pack is definitely going to take time, and it all depends on your internet speed, your hosting capacity, and the connectivity with the developer server. What we can do, we can check the media items in another tab, and I believe, okay, so we are getting the media items. Okay, so 61 media items are here. It is good that media items has been divided in 3 parts, so that the import may not stuck, and it is a good decision by the developer. So it is a practical experience I have seen. So almost if the demo import is not successful, it is only due to the heavy media files. So in the 50% cases, I have seen media files becomes the culprit of the failure of demo import. So yes, it is important to have all media files as well. So in this theme, the media items has been divided in 3 parts just to make it sure that all should be imported properly. So we need to wait on this screen, as I said, and what we can do, we can refresh this page to check. So everything is going fine. It was 61 and now it is 98, so it is definitely growing fast, so we need to wait. Media pack 1 is complete, and in the first media pack I got, let us check how many media items I have received in the pack 1. So it is 139. So second is going on, and we need to wait further for second to be complete, and after that third. So still it is going to take time. And now all 3 pack is complete, and import done message is here. So I don't think I need to save any changes, but yes, import done means all should be fine, and the progress bar is still moving, but I got this message that import is done. So what we can do, we can check the website if it is good, so we can proceed further for next level. Okay, so this is the okay, so what we can check the pages, and I can see 29 published pages are here, and home 1 2 3 4 and all home pages are here. So we can simply check one home page. If it is fine, we can proceed further, and yes, it seems fine. Okay, it is really good. Okay, so I believe everything is complete, and we got 10 home pages, in fact 13 home pages, and in a single import we have 13 home page options, and I can show you randomly. So we can check the 13th one. Oh, it is pretty cool, and yes, it is good one. And what is here, so it is really cool and wonderful website. So we can check the inner pages as well. The speed is really appreciable, it is loading fast, and so it is good one. And so I-class error is here, so I must tell you add to wishlist option is not working. So I'm willing to show the maximum I can show on this video. And so we have seen the 13th home page, and we can check all the home pages as well, just in case. So this is home 2 if you are choosing, so it is really good again. Okay, so this is product pages, and range is also here. And okay, so wishlist is not working, so what we can check if the plugin, so it is complete, so it is very evident from the pages that we have received. And we can check the plugins for wishlist. So if wishlist is here, I believe we got, yes, so this is active, wishlist plugin is active, but yes, we need to check. Yes, definitely I'll check and let you know in the comment section of video, so why the wishlist problem was there. But yes, rest of things seems to be very fine, and we got a complete website here, and I'll show you again. Okay, so let us consider the home one as the default one, and we will check the next pages as well. And this is the home one, and we can check the shop page. This is archive page of shop. Okay, so blog defaults, my account. Okay, so we can set the home page. First of all, this is home 2, and we can check the shop. Okay, so this is about jackets. Okay, so product filter is here. Okay, we just need to configure all the products whatever we want to show on the internal pages. First of all, we can set the home page, and I'm choosing home page 2 for my home page, I mean my website home page. And it can be done simply in the customize option. Demo content we have already imported, and we can set the home page. Okay, so home page setting is here, aesthetic page, home page 2 I'm going to select. You may choose any of your desired home page or your website home page, and my website is fine. Okay, so I have set the home page, and now this is good for me, and everything is good working here. I must tell you, wishlist function is working, like this wishlist and browse wishlist. It is also working fine. I just checked. What we can do for the class error that we are getting on this page, so we can simply disable the wishlist plugin just in case, and for the check. Okay, so I am going to disable the plugin that is wishlist, and we can check further. And again coming on this screen. Okay, great. So wishlist is gone from here. To just a simple fix is that just remove the wishlist function, and we can use another plugin for adding the wishlist function. That is very simple. So I'm not going to explain that in this video. So our website is complete, and now everything is fine, and we can proceed further for basic customization to make ready our website. So we just need to edit the content and upload the products. So I'll show you very quickly how we can do this all. And coming back to the dashboard, first of all I'll show you what additional tabs are here. I mean, what additional feature we got. Simple share button is for sharing, so sharing control can be done from here. It is just a sharing option, and this is an additional tab. We got this post W code. I don't know what is this. So this, okay, so this is for footer and blog sidebar control and top header as well. So we can edit the header section and the footer section from this post W code. So it is very simple, and you can edit option here and again. So this might be a looking trouble for you. So if you are looking this code, I mean you are also getting this code, and you are thinking how you can really edit this. So if it is such like a puzzle, so it is very simple, and with WPBakery is not enabled on this page, what we can do, we can open the WP role manager in another tab, and we can like post W code option should be enabled here, and simply save the change, and we can now refresh the page. It should work. I mean, the page builder should be enabled here now. So it is very simple. So now you can edit the header and footer section using the page builder, and you just need to edit through clicking on the pencil icons. Just don't disturb this raw HTML, and for editing you may copy it on Notepad or any HTML editor, and you can simply make changes and then paste that to here. Just make sure don't disturb the code part, I mean the list and the div part and all such things. So the rest of things can be edited here, just in case if you, so we can reload this. Okay, so like emails and all such things can be edited here. So this is for a header and footer, and again contact forms, newsletter area can be handled from this. And now I'll show you the main theme panel, that is the Samex. So we have already used the demo content, and now this is the setting. So this very simple but effective settings are available here. So this is for theme color and body background. You can of course change the theme color, fonts, and the breadcrumbs option. Header you can choose, so there are many header styles available, and which header you are using you can edit the same in the post W code, and logo is to be uploaded from here, so it is very important. Again, footer you can choose, so there are many footer options as well. Blog settings are here, simple post, WO settings are here, and advanced setting is also here. So it is very simple and convenient customization option. Next is WooCommerce. So we have all the WooCommerce and its parts here. Of course you know this, and if you are having any question, just don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section of this video, and you can also get in touch with us through the WP Themes website. Okay, so all things are good, and finally I'm going to show you how to edit the page content. I'm in the front end. Okay, so this is being the home page, and just assume we are editing the home page. Just open the home page and click on edit with WPBakery page builder. Again, for the slider or hero image, you need to go in the slider revolution section. Rest of things can be, for this area, I mean this hero area can be edited in revolution slider. I will show you the revolution slider first of all, and this is slider revolution, and you can edit the hero image section content from this area, and you just need to check which home page is being used. I mean, so if this is your home page, you can check, just click on the, so what we can do, we can go to the backend editor. It is more convenient for me at least. And the slider, the revolution area is here. Select slideshow is home slideshow 2. Okay, so you just need to select the home slideshow 2, what has been used on the home page. Home page 2, this is the slideshow that has been used. So you just need to open that particular slider that you are using at your home page. I mean the home page that you are using, just match the slideshow, and you can find it here. So it is here on this backend editor, and you can simply edit the content of sliders. Just click on the area that you want to edit, but yes, keep in mind you have to use almost same length text and same dimension image that has been used in the demo content. So it is very important, and you can also take a backup just in case if you are not confident about the slider editing. So just click on this drop down icon and click on duplicate, and you can edit the slider after duplicating the slider. I mean just take a backup of slider. Okay, so it is fine, and now this is the page, and we can simply edit the page content, rest of page content by clicking on the pencil icon as and where required. So it is simple, but yes, you have to keep in mind you have to use the same dimension image and same length text as it has been used in the demo content, and rest will be fine. And I am sure you know how to upload the products, but yes, I'll show you. So this is WooCommerce, and this is all about the products. All products are here, and I must tell you the products, these products are only demo products, and you definitely need to delete all these products or edit all the contents of this published product. So published 18 products are published, and you just need to edit the content, and you can add new products after deleting all this. So it is up to you, but I must insist you have to delete all the extra pages, products, and all such things that you are not using. You have to delete everything. So it is very important from SEO perspective. So just keep in mind you have to delete all the extra materials from your website. So I believe I have shown you each and everything about this Samex WooCommerce WordPress theme, which is a minimal, soft, clean WordPress theme, and you will be able to make a wonderful website like this using this theme. And now you can take a decision about this theme, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and ring the bell button, because I'm going to bring add-on features for WordPress as well. So in the last video we have seen how to add a feature for WooCommerce to generate automatic packaging slips and the invoice, and I'm coming with more videos that those videos are going to show you how you can really enhance the feature of WordPress and WooCommerce. So just be with me and keep watching, keep building. Thank you.